What is a revocable trust and what is a living trust? They're the same thing. My name is Philip Roos. I am a Minnesota estate planning attorney, and I get this question a lot. And here's a true story. I had a client who came to me, and she said she had a shocked look on her face, and she said, "I don't understand. My dad has passed away. We're going to go sell his house, and we have to go to court to get the name of the house changed. I thought we could avoid court because he has a will. Because he said that the house goes to us, I thought we got to avoid that process." And that is a fundamental misunderstanding. I see it all the time. And that is a misunderstanding of what a will is. A will is a court document. If you have a will, we use that to control this process called probate. Probate's the administrative court proceeding where if I die, my stuff gets divided up. We need someone who's in charge who can sell the house, pay the bills, distribute the money. And what a will does is it overwrites the default rules with your rules. So we like wills, but they go to court. That's what they do. They control the court process. If there's a will, it must go to court to work. There's another tool called a revocable trust or a living trust, or a revocable living trust. And what this is, instead of directing my stuff to the public court system for public administration, I'm going to take my assets that would need the court system, such as real estate, and I'm going to put them in this private family entity. So I'm going to get the stuff in this thing, okay? This is called a trust. It's a revocable trust, so it can be revoked, just like a will. It can be revoked. This is a will replacement. You do this instead of a will. You can tear this thing up anytime. You can change it anytime you want to. You can put stuff in this thing. You can take stuff out of it. I like to think of it as being like an open Ziploc bag while I'm alive. Put it in, take it out. I have full control over this thing. It's just like a will. But because it's not court instructions, instead it's instructions for how we operate this thing. Anything that ends up in here is going to use a private agreement. So not a court document. We're going to use a private family agreement to decide who's in charge, where do things go, who gets what, when, and because of that, we get to avoid the court system. That's why people do revocable trusts. They're a wonderful tool, a very powerful tool. They're a will replacement. Any questions, give my office a call or shoot us an email.